Have you wondered why you can change colors in some graphics but not others? Well, it comes down to the file type. Let's take a look. To change the color of a graphic, the file type must be an SVG. If you're uploading your own files, you'll probably know the file type. You can hover over an image in your Uploads Files panel and click on the three dots. That will show you the name of the file with the file extension and whether it's an SVG, JPEG, or PNG. However, if you're using graphics from Canva's Elements tab, the file type doesn't show up when you click on the three dots. The easiest way to determine if a graphic is editable is to load it onto your workspace. If you see color circles appear, it's an SVG file. If no circles, then you can't change the colors. Head to the Elements tab and type Simple Flower in the search bar. You may need to drag different designs into your workspace until you find one with color circles visible. Once you have an SVG file open, click on a color circle. This will open the Document Colors panel, where you can add a hex code, select from default colors, or use the color picker to choose a custom shade. Experiment with these options to change the graphics colors. Keep in mind that when you change a color, the adjustment applies to all parts of the graphic that share that color. For example, if there are 4 yellow pieces in the design, they will all change to the new color. You can't make each piece a different color. The next file types that can be edited includes PNG, JPEG, or photo-like graphics. When you open these file types, you'll notice the Edit option in the editing toolbar, but no color circle. You can still modify their appearance using special effects. To get started, place an image in your workspace and click on the Edit Photo button in the editing toolbar. When the image panel opens, you'll see several options: Magic Studio, Filters, Effects, and Apps. For this example, we'll focus on filters and effects. Let's start with filters. Canva offers 50 different filters to choose from, each with adjustable intensity to achieve unique looks. Next, we'll look at effects, specifically the duotone panel. Here you'll find 23 options to dramatically alter your photo's appearance. Each duotone option applies 2 colors, one for highlights and one for shadows. You can customize these colors by clicking the color circles and selecting new shades, or by adjusting the intensity sliders. These tools give you countless ways to transform your photos and explore creative possibilities. Thanks for watching.